Shalom. Safe journey. Noklak.
Matthew 6 verses 22 says, "The lamp of the body is the eyes. If tears for your eyes is good, you will become of light." This is my favorite Bible passage. Bye.
Deuteronomy chapter 31, verse 6, it says, "Be strong and of good courage. Do not fear nor be afraid of them. For the Lord your God, He is the one who goes with you. He will not leave you nor forsake you." Thank you.
James chapter 4 verse 10, it says, "Humble yourself before the Lord and he will lift you up." Thank you.
Be anxious for nothing, but in everything, by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving. Let your requests be made known to God, says in Philippians 4:6. Amen.